Hi, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this makeup look for fall or Thanksgiving. It kind of totally depends on what your vibe is. Personally, I probably wouldn't wear colorful eyeshadows if I'm just like with my family, but I think that this would be really fun for like Friendsgiving if you want to do something a little bit more colorful. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The first eyeshadows that you're going to be using are in the shades called Olive this color and Mermaid Lagoon. When you mix these two together, you get the most beautiful teal shade, and I think it's absolutely stunning. And apparently teal has been like one of the it colors for makeup trends, so good to know. And then for applying it, I took the wet dry eyeshadow brush. I got it a little bit damp, mixed the colors together, and then I just pat that onto the eyelids. You don't have to worry if it's a little bit messy, but just be cautious to not go into the crease. If you get in there a little bit, it's totally fine. You're going to blend it out later, but you want to be cautious to not go too far into the crease, because then when you blend it out, the bluish color is going to end up on your brow bone, which is personally not a look I like. If you're into that, great, totally do it, but I would just be cautious to not go above the crease with that color. And then you're going to take the eyeshadow in the shade called Yes You Canyon, and you're going to blend this into the crease. And I always like setting off a colorful eye look with a neutral like this. It just makes the look, you know, a little bit more cohesive and balanced. I should say balanced is a better word. Originally, I was debating on whether or not I was going to do a highlight, but as I was going along, I realized that this look definitely needs a highlight. If you don't want to, this is totally optional, but I think that it kind of finishes the eyeshadows. So I took the eyeshadow in the shade called Buttercream and I applied that to the brow bones and the inner corners of the eyes. To line your eyes, you're going to use the eyeliner in the shade called Black. And what you want to do is do a very thin line on the top. If your line, I mean, depending on your eye shape, but if the line is too thick, you might not see the color, so just be aware of that. So yeah, I did a very thin line on the top lash line, and then I did a little bit on the bottom and kind of smudged it and smoked it out down there. And to finish off the eyes, I applied the Lash Project mascara. I did about 4 coats on the top and then 1 on the bottom. And no makeup look is complete, of course, without your lips. So I used the lipstick in the shade called Oh My Guava. Whenever I'm doing colorful eyeshadow looks, I like to make sure that I use a nude lip so that the eyes really stand out. You could use Oh My Guava, you could do New York, you could do Naughty. All of those would be really great options for a nude. I just have been really liking Oh My Guava lately, so it's kind of been like my go-to. And that completes this makeup look. I would love to know what you are thankful for, so leave a comment down below of what you were thankful for. I mean, there's so many things to be thankful for, but in particular, the one thing that stands out is I'm so thankful for the garden. It is doing amazing. If I can, I'll get some clips of it and put it in here into this video, but the zucchini is doing really great. The beans are doing great, which is awesome because last year they did not do that well. So I'm very grateful and thankful for our garden. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and until next time, take care. Bye!